How y'all doing, beautiful people? Welcome again to another video. My name is Alex, and if this is your first time here, I help content creators, coaches, and entrepreneurs build their visibility, income, and impact using the power of social media and video. In today's video, we're talking about what gears and what programs you need to set yourself up for awesome live streams. So stick around, but first, let's roll that intro. So before we get started here, there's a huge misconception that I want to address. The gear doesn't make your live streams. You have to understand that even though you have the best cameras, the best mics, the best monitors, computer, it doesn't matter because live streams are all about connecting with the audience. If you're just not someone that's relatable or gets your message across in a certain clear and concise way, you're just not going to have great engagement. I truly believe that live streaming is a way for you to connect, resonate, and really build that rapport with those that are watching, kind of like now. And if you haven't already, check out this other video that I created about why you need to start live streaming. I'll put the tag right here or the link in the description below. So typically there are 4 pillars of live streaming that you can actually use to help build engagement and view time. There's entertainment, education, inspiration, and connection. So truth be told, there are 2 ways to live stream. You can either do it with your phone or you can do it with a computer. First, we'll talk about the phone. If you're streaming to platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter, definitely you want to use your phone. Easy, no hassle, just press live and go. When you're live streaming with a mobile phone, there are 3 certain things that you want to pay close attention to, which is lighting, audio, and the stability of internet connection that you have. What's really great about using mobile phones to live stream is that for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, there are live streaming platforms built into those applications already. But if you want to start live streaming with the full bells and whistles and make it a little bit more complex on YouTube, Facebook, you're definitely going to want to use a computer. Again, there are certain few things that you want to make sure you pay close attention to, which is lighting, audio, the type of computer you have, the stability of internet connection, and the camera that is capturing your live stream. Right now I'm using a MacBook Pro, which is working phenomenal for me. I'm not going to get into the details of which computers you can use, but I can almost guarantee you that nowadays standard computers are powerful enough to help you live stream. During my lives, and actually for this video right now, I'm using something called the Audio-Technica USB mic, which is amazing. I'll put the links in the description below so that you can check it out for yourself. As for lighting, I use something pretty inexpensive, something by Mount Dog actually. I'll show you right now, this is what it looks like, and you can pick it up really quickly on Amazon. What it does is it creates this flattering light, kind of like you see right now, and is super easy to set up. It's just a flick of a switch and you're good to go. As for my video, I'm using a EOS R. I know it's kind of overkill. It's a DSLR Canon camera. Looks like this. You don't have to. There are tons of live streaming cameras, but if you're really serious about getting into live streaming and creating that crispy, beautiful video quality, you might want to use something like the Canon M50 as a starter camera. You also want to use something like this. Let me introduce you to Camlink. Camlink is made by a company called Elgato, and most of the professional live streamers will use something like this so that they can use their DSLRs, hook it up to an HDMI, and live stream right off their cameras. Obviously, this is overkill and not necessary to get started, but if you want to create that professional look, this is something you want to get into. And if you're really curious about how to use this, I have a video that I created right here that I'll put for you so you can actually check it out yourself. As for broadcasting software, I use something called Restream. Restream is such an amazing platform that has everything in one, allows you to create captions, put some graphics on there, and it makes it so easy just to go live. And if you wanted to invite somebody to a live stream with you, all you have to do is send them a link. No download necessary, all they have to have is a webcam and a mic. It also has a built-in engagement software where you can chat live with the people from the multitude of platforms that you are pushing to. Now, if you're a serious content creator, you know that repurposing your content is super important and easy. So what you can do is go into Restream, download your live streams, edit them in post-editing softwares like Adobe Premiere, which is what I use, and then have content for days upon end. Now I want to take this opportunity to throw it to you. Question of the day. What do you use for live streaming? What gear is your favorite live streaming gear that you would recommend to other viewers watching this video? Put them in the comment section below. And if there's something that you want me to talk about in specific in next future videos, let me know. Again, comment section below. And a couple bonus tips for those of you who are starting to live stream. You're definitely going to want to get a logo so that it makes it easier for the people who are watching to identify with you and your brand. Create sound bites like my introduction video that is played on most of my videos, and create a consistent aesthetic. If you haven't already, create a brand guide that has maybe 4 or 5 different colors in your color palette so that you can use them consistently on your videos, PowerPoint slides, and any other content piece that you create. The way you dress is also really important. If you want to look professional, if you want to look laid back like myself, I got a black t-shirt. Most of my videos have me wearing black t-shirts just so that you can easily identify that, yep, that's Alex. And finally, visual cues. Just like this, you see my mic, you see my framing pretty much similar in most of my videos, and you see my stage in the back that I've set up so that you know it's Alex time. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for watching my video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you know when my next video is coming up so you don't miss a thing. And like if that's something that you're so compelled to do. And as always, if you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button twice so that I get the message. And if you're interested in learning more about live streaming, check out these other videos right here. There'll be a link to a playlist where you can learn how to go live like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.